10 reasons why mobile marketing matters. Mobile isn't just another marketing channel anymore. It's where people live. From checking messages in bed to scrolling during lunch and shopping on a couch, or whipping out the phone to read the news during the commute, phones are the first screen that people reach for and the last one they put down. If your business isn't taking mobile seriously,
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
you're not behind. You're completely invisible. In fact, you're so invisible that we've put together 10 clear reasons that mobile marketing still matters today, and why it should be part of any modern business strategy if you're looking to elevate what you're doing. 1. Your audience is already there. People spend hours a day on their phones, social media, email, search, video shopping. It all happens in one place, and that place is a palm of their hands. Mobile marketing meets customers where they already are instead of asking them to change their habits and do something different. And that alone makes it a very powerful platform for you to be using. 2. It reaches people in real time. Mobile marketing allows businesses to connect instantly with push notifications, SMS, and in-app messages landing straight in someone's hand, not in their spam folder. You get to make a big difference in how you impact others. When timing matters, sales, updates, reminders, mobile is very hard to beat. 3. You get to support the full customer journey. There aren't many marketing avenues that do this, but from discovery to research to purchase and beyond, mobile plays a role at every stage. Someone could see an ad, check the reviews, compare the prices, and buy, and they can do that all on their phone. Strategies like mobile app marketing help brands to stay connected long after the first interaction. It also means that you are looking to get in the mindset of your customers, which they will appreciate. 4. It drives faster decision-making. Mobile users tend to act quickly. A tap, a swipe, or a click can lead directly to a purchase, a sign-up, or an inquiry, but you do only have a small pocket of time to be able to impact somebody enough to do that. Reducing friction makes it much easier for customers to say yes instead of putting their phone away and saying they're going to do it later, which usually means they're never going to do it because they're not interested in what you have to offer. If you're looking to drive faster decisions, then you need to make sure that you are having an instant impact, and mobile marketing allows you to have that impact without being too overwhelming or in their face. 5. Mobile and social go hand in hand. Most social media usage happens on a phone. That means that mobile marketing naturally supports brand awareness and engagement, and it builds communities. Content designed for mobile, like short videos, clear visuals, simple messages, all of these things perform better across platforms, especially on a mobile phone. When you consider that you're looking to meet your customers where they are, you need to look at what social media is actually paying off for you, and that's where you can use tools like Google Analytics to help you out. 6. It works for businesses of all sizes. You don't need to have a massive budget to benefit from mobile marketing. Small businesses can use SMS offers, mobile-friendly websites, or targeted social ads to compete effectively. Mobile levels the playing field by focusing on relevance rather than size. If you're trying to make an impact and trying to make a difference, you'll be able to do so with mobile, because it doesn't matter what size you are, you're still going to reach your customers in the right way. 7. You get a chance to improve the customer experience. A smooth mobile experience will really help to build some trust with your customers. You need fast loading pages that actually fit a mobile screen with easy navigation. All of this should come with clear calls to action to reduce frustration and help people to understand what you're attempting for them to do. When customers can quickly find what they need on their phone, they're more likely to come back to you later. 8. It's a measurable and adaptable marketing technique. This is really important because mobile marketing provides you with clear data. You can track your clicks, opens, installs, purchases, and engagement, and you can do that live. This makes it easier to see what's working and adjust quickly instead of waiting months to review results. You also can adjust your spend depending on where your customers are showing up the most, and that will help you to save your money in the long run. 9. It's future-proof. Mobile isn't slowing down. If anything, mobile usage is growing as technology improves and habits start to evolve. When you're investing in mobile marketing, you prepare your business for future platforms and devices, and you also upgrade your customer expectations at the same time. 10. It is clear. The biggest mistake that businesses make is treating marketing and mobile as an afterthought. Shrinking a desktop website or recycling your old ads isn't going to cut it anymore. Mobile requires some intention and clarity in what you're doing. Messages need to be short, your pages need to load fast, and your actions need to be obvious. Mobile marketing matters because it reflects how people actually live and buy today. And it's an immediate, personal way to get people to buy your product or your service. If your business is embracing it, you're going to get more than just attention. The whole point is to build stronger and long-lasting relationships with your customers, and in a world that fits in your pocket, marketing should too. Starting to invest in that today is the best strategy you could have for the remainder of 2026.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.